Hi, our group name is Lazy Group, and today we're going to introduce a new application for iOS Assignment 3. The target audience of this application are people who want to diet. The main objective of our application is to control the user's calorie, which is one of the most important nutrient information during the diet. Basically, users set up their calorie goal and create a daily meal plan and see whether their calories over their daily goal or not.
Router page comes up with a loading spinner and rogue animation, which is implemented for the user experience rather than just having with widescreen. Looking to identify whether user is registered or not. If the user information hasn't found on database, this page directly get to the registration page, like here. Else, it goes through the main. Identify there is a user found on the database. So it directly go through the main page with the registered user, Junghyun here. Furthermore, the user can reset the information here by using the user reset. So testing for the resetting the user by the main page. In the main page, we are able to set daily calories by using the setup calorie button here. So if we set up the daily calorie by 1000 and submit, then here comes up the set it calorie. So going through the make your meal plan, come up. The user can search the list of food by using this search bar. And then set up the cereal. You can see the nutrition content page comes up, and then the API connected to the name of the food and picture of the food and information of nutrition of the food here. If we set this as a breakfast, save recipe, then the name of the food comes up, which is the cereal and its calorie, and this is automatically calculated. And kimchi as a lunch, saved. Yeah, this is automatically calculate the calorie remain. This is minus 65, so which means that you are over your daily goal.
To compare with other application, we would like to compare with one of the most popular diet application called MyFitnessPal. The differences between our application and MyFitnessPal are that users are able to directly search the food which are in the API database, and the calorie are also directly saved too. Then the calorie is deducted from their goal to tell the users whether they are following according to their plan or not.
So we have used API service to show results when the user puts keyword into the search bar. The link is from particular API provider. We use the complex search and nutrition search. Complex search uses query parameter to search meals by using keywords, and the number query uses to show the number of results we request. Nutrition search is done by the ID of food from query search and use another link to access the data from the same provider. We have given the link to access the provider website. We have encountered several challenges throughout the development. First, implementation of search result views with the API. It takes a lot of time and it was solved after several researches and tests we have done. And another one is the condition managing on the segmented control. The segmented control has different segment conditions, and it takes a lot of time and testing and research to manage through the workflow. To get the minimum viable product, we use iterative approach as an example of Scrum. We all plan the functions, designs, and necessary things to program, and we list them, distribute them to collaborate. And each of us starts with one function each, commit and push to the Git, then we work on more. We iterate through this process until the program is done, while we test again and again throughout the whole development. The final product is done after each function is added to one by one and merged into the master repo in the Git. Thank you very much for listening.